to do some cleaning. So, last month, I've had a shopping spree. Nabudol ako sa Seaways, yung stain remover nila. For the next couple of days is our graduation. Sobrang init, man. Ang dami ko na palang mga libro. Fact about me is I was forced to read when I was little and it stayed with me. Purchase ko sa fully book is this one. The Wisdom of YOLO. This na hindi ako responsible sa aking budget with my money. Ang dami ko lang na-check out. Siya naman is Crime and Punishment. So it was recommended by a YouTube video and why not try? And tomorrow, practice kami ng graduation.
Late na ko, man. Uy, mas lagi ka practice.
Wala ka, ano na yung namin. And suddenly, table for one isn't so bad after all. Man, mas lang ka practice. Balik ko. Ay, pagod ko.
Kailan po super late ako. Kabalo na ko dahil. Pwede ko na next.
Hindi man ginigyan mo na po. Pumasilakan lang. Ito ka natural.
Yeah, the gang, gang, gang!
Hair coloring shampoo. Try natin. So, I don't have any idea how to do this. Asa ko sa friend ko na may hair color din and ito din yung binili niya. Medyo may amoy siya.
Ay, patulog. Gano'n na lata. Pagkadya ba yun?
Cheesy.
Yan ni Tito Loves, guys. 100-kilometer finisher. Hindi ko bala katulog gabi. Ambot na ako gabi.
Oo. Kita mo ito tubig ko. Sige po, ito nakwa pa. The crowds will cheer. I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. Would be worth my while. Smell my feet. Smell my feet. Sit like a proper lady. Hot dog. You are here at the ocean floor.
To maximize my productivity in any way, but
Pinina pa yung Hi guys, kakatapos lang mag-recognition.
Pwede na kami mga waiter. Wait up!
Welcome to Don's Cafe.
Certified unemployed in 4 hours, guys.
We're unemployed.
Barangay Joy Nagrama. Cum laude. Barangay 2 Isabela Negros Occidental.
Wala kami back there.
Craving satisfied. Balbakwa. Graduation, graduation.